As far as cases, one of the things that I was looking for is a case with a stand. There's so many great cases out there, but I ended up going with the Torras case, and I almost went with that with the 8 Pro phone, but I didn't. I got another one with the stand. So this is the case. It's really nice, and I have really enjoyed using it today. Today's only day 1, but I have to say I am really loving this case. It feels good. I read some comments that people had said maybe it would feel or felt slick to them or slippery. I don't find it's the case, and it's just really, really fantastic. And what I really like about this, one, it is a shock absorbent, but also you can use this as a stand, which to me I like. So there you go. You can put it on a couple of angles, which is great. And they also have a mechanism where you can lock it so it stays at a certain angle, and then you can also adjust it accordingly. And I think it like even would prevent you from being able to, I don't know, lock it into place, so you couldn't even fully snap it back in. There you go. So see right now, I can't even push it back in, so it keeps it at a certain angle. So they've adjusted this, but then you could turn it and then put it back in place, which is nice. This is magnetic as well. By the way, this company sent me this 2 terabyte mini hard drive. Look how small that is, but you can see this is magnetic. As far as the case, everything lines up perfectly. Again, it feels really good, this case. The buttons are very smooth. The buttons are very clicky, by the way, which is great, and everything does line up. Now, the SIM card is on the bottom of this phone versus on the side, so you just have the one speaker. But what I also like is that you can hold your phone in your hands and put your fingers through the ring. So that is also a nice thing about that case.